In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend video in Filmora AI. If you've ever had a clip that ends a little too soon or you want a smoother continuation to fit your edit, Filmora's AI Video Extend can intelligently generate extra frames that match your scene's look and motion. Let's walk through it from start to finish. First, open Filmora. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're running a recent version so the AI features are available. Once you're in, create a new project. Choose the project settings that match your footage, like aspect ratio and frame rate, to help the extended section blend cleanly with the rest of your timeline. Next, head to Stock Media. You'll find it in the main interface, and inside there, click on AI Media. This section is where Filmora gathers its AI-powered tools, and it's where the Video Extend feature lives. Click on Video Extend to open the tool. Think of this as the workspace where you'll feed Filmora a clip and some guidance so it can create a natural continuation. Click on Add Video and select the clip you want to extend. Pick the version of the clip that best represents the look and motion you want continued. Clear visuals, consistent lighting, and minimal abrupt cuts will give the AI more to work with. If the clip includes fast motion or camera moves, that's fine. Just be ready to describe them clearly in the next step. Now, describe the content you want to extend. This prompt is important. Briefly name the key subject, what it's doing, and how the camera is moving. Include the environment and any defining visual details so the result matches your scene. For example, a cyclist rides past city storefronts at dusk, camera pans left to follow warm streetlights and light traffic. Or, close-up of a coffee cup steaming on a wooden table, soft morning light, camera slowly pushes in. Keep it specific but concise. Focus on the main object or person, the type of movement, camera behavior like pan, tilt, dolly, or static, and the surrounding setting or mood. Avoid unrelated details that might confuse the generator. When your description feels right, click Generate. Filmora will process the clip and build the extended portion based on your guidance. Processing time varies with clip length and complexity. Let it run and avoid heavy multitasking while it works. When it finishes, you'll have an extended version that continues the scene in a natural way, ready to use in your project. That's all there is to it. Open Filmora, create your project, use AI Media's Video Extend, add your clip, describe what should continue, and generate the result.